Okay, let's finish this up. Okay, this is number 3. Actually, video number 4. I deleted video number 3. I was just going to show you what I decided to do instead. I did put some gel on here. Let me grab my little silicone thing. Oh, I won't, because I'd have to get up and get in the drawer. So, and this one here was messed up, and so I'm redoing it. This has been a long day. So this is video number 3 because I deleted the other one, but really it's the 4th time I've tried to record. And so we're going to try to finish this up. I picked this foil. I have just a little bit left, and the only reason I picked it because it had purple and gold, and that way I didn't have to redo all my nails or just put on some plain nails. So, but I'm going to go ahead and, so I don't have a repeat of last time, the gel just did not, one side of it didn't cure. And so by gel, I mean the gel full. That's the reason I do not like gel. If the light doesn't hit it just right, you know, it's it's not going to work. So I think this is the 3rd time I'm cooking this, so certainly it'll cake it, this little 30-second thing. Okay, it's almost done. And I'm just going to use my finger instead of the silicone thing. I don't have the silicone thing with me. I think this is just a 30-second lamp, so it's almost done. Okay, so let's do this. And I like this foil. Okay, but that's not the reason I picked it. I picked it because of the colors. So, and I did want some clear. I'd had in my head that I wanted clear background. And we're not giving up on the mesh foil. No. We're still going to try again. Just not this week. Maybe this weekend. I got some regular gel that I've never opened that I got from Wish. I think it's Jamobi. I have some pink kind. We can't use that. I could use that as a top coat. I can try with acrylic again. I had such a bad experience with that. Although Rachel offered to send me a video. So go ahead and we'll do that. I'll look at it. I have definitely watched a lot of videos with people doing acrylic, but mainly it was like people that already knew that they were just doing it. They weren't telling you how to do it or anything. And as you can probably know, I did ruin my brush. I think I told you in the last video. It's still uploading right now. On this little phone, it seems like if my phone goes black, it won't upload. That's kind of irritating. So this, it's looking okay so far. Okay, let's see. Here's a little thing here. Let's see if that'll go. Oh, that little, it might not. That might have been a big, just big white spot there. But on the last one that I just threw away, let's see if I can get out of the trash. It had not all cured, and like one side I had put some different on, and the pattern, can you see that? The pattern did not match, and that was just gonna bug me all week long. So it was loose enough I could pull that off my finger, and I did. And I thought, we're just gonna make another one. I knew that was gonna bug me. Now I don't know if this little tiny flower is gonna stick or not. We'll see. It did. This is by no means perfect. It didn't all stick, but it's good enough because I'm wore out. And so let's get some gel. Seems like, I think the last top coat I used was this XVX top coat. Now I didn't on this, and this. I used the shiny, but then it felt kind of sticky. So I'm going to use this one again on this one. and cook that for a minute. Okay, let's cook this. Hopefully it will cook just fine. So, I hope you guys' meal days gone faster and better than mine. Now, if I don't do anything special, if all I do is just a plain color or something like that, boy, it goes right. But anytime I try something new, oh, it's a mess. Okay, so while that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and take this little tab off and put a fresh one on. Ouch, that's kind of sore. Okay. There we go. Now we're ready to go as soon as we get it done cooking. See if this feels okay. It feels good. Okay, so let's glue it on. And then we'll call this a day. And I'll be wore out. I'll be ready to get ready for bed, go to bed, get up at 3 a.m., do a little bit of prayer, and I'm supposed to be reading the Bible, but I've not been doing that much lately. It's mainly been prayer. Because, you know, our country, we need it. We're in dire shape right now. Okay. Uh-oh. Please stick for me. Please be a go. Let's hold this down for a minute. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I don't know if it's my imagination or what. And this little pointer is only a size 6, where the other one's a 5, because I couldn't find another 4 or 5. I'd used them all out of that little thing, and I didn't want to pull it off of another one. So, I've had a heck of a nail day. Anyway, and which in the video I deleted, I was telling you, I had in my head, I kind of wanted a couple of clears, because I've been seeing a few videos where they have some clears, and that's the reason I wanted clear. I didn't just want a solid color underneath it. Anyway, so that's it. This is what I ended up with instead of the ones I threw away, which they're in the trash now, and they're staying in the trash. So I'll see you later, and we're going to work on mesh again. So bye-bye.